Ever wondered how a well-planned lesson can significantly improve the learning experience of your TFL students? Well, let's delve into it. Lesson planning in TFL is not just a roadmap for your teaching journey, but also a springboard for your students' learning. It allows teachers to structure their lessons efficiently, cater to different learning styles, and ensure no learner is left behind. It's all about creating a learning environment where every student can thrive. A well-structured lesson plan is the cornerstone of effective TFL teaching. The first stage of a successful lesson plan is the warm-up. This is where we spark interest and ignite curiosity in our students. It's like stretching before a workout, preparing the mind for the learning journey ahead. The aim is to create an engaging atmosphere, to hook the students, and to set the tone for the rest of the lesson. We're not just warming up bodies here, we're warming up minds, getting them ready to engage, explore, and expand. A good warm-up sets the stage for an effective and engaging lesson. After the warm-up, we move on to the introduction, presentation, and practice stages. The introduction stage is all about setting the stage. Here, we aim to pique the students' interest and prepare their minds for the new language or concept. We might use a story, a question, or a visual aid to introduce the topic in an engaging way. Next, we roll out the red carpet for the presentation stage. This is where the new language or concept makes its grand entrance. We as teachers present this in a clear, concise manner, often using examples and demonstrations to make it more accessible. Then, we step into the practice stage. This is the students' moment to shine. They get hands-on experience with the new language or concept, practicing it through activities, exercises, or role plays. This active involvement helps cement their understanding and boosts their confidence. The introduction, presentation, and practice stages are where the meat of the lesson happens. The final stages of the lesson plan are monitoring, evaluation, and application. Monitoring is a crucial part of the learning process. It's where the teacher observes the students during their practice phase, offering guidance and correction where necessary. This continual feedback loop allows the teacher to ensure that students are progressing appropriately and no one is left behind. Moving on to evaluation, this stage is about assessing the student's understanding of the new language or concept. It's the moment where the teacher checks if the learning objectives have been met, using various methods such as quizzes, tests, or even informal observations. Lastly, we have the application stage. This is where the magic happens. Students apply what they've learned in a real-world context, thereby cementing their understanding and enhancing their language skills. It could be through role play, discussions, or even projects. Monitoring, evaluation, and application ensure that the students have fully understood and can use the new language or concept. Each stage of the lesson plan plays a vital role in the learning process. The warm-up sets the tone and engages students from the get-go. The introduction and presentation provide the foundation, introducing new concepts and ideas. Practice allows students to solidify their understanding, while the monitoring and evaluation stage ensures that learning objectives are being met. Lastly, the application stage brings it all together, allowing students to apply their knowledge in practical ways. A well-executed lesson plan ensures a successful and effective TFL class.